What's up, everybody? It's your host, Hector T. That's me. And today, I'm unveiling the new project car that we got. Dun 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 dun! It's a Honda. Yeah, so it's not mine, but I'm gonna be working on this thing. Oh, boy, I'm a little excited. At the same time, I hate working on Hondas. I've done too many of them, to be honest. And yeah, because it's not the only thing I gotta work on. I gotta do a quick thing on my car because my starter finally died on me. But yeah, I mean, other than that, it's running good. But it's just the starter. But that's for a whole nother video. Today this video is focusing on this car right now. I'm gonna be working on this. That's a 2001 Honda Accord. And there's quite a bit with it. First of all, these wheels are way too big. I don't know who slapped those on. But the buyer for this car brought it to me with the hopes that I can, restore this thing for them. Get it running good. It's got the 3.0 liter VTEC V6 engine in there. One thing that really sticks out to me is this oil and gunk. Oh, that's definitely the valve cover. Gasket is leaking all over that place. Why is this piece rusted from that? They replaced this, or they replaced this and didn't replace this? I don't know. I don't know what kind of work's been done on this thing. I don't know. All I know is it's been sitting for a while. Apparently they got new batteries from last year. So it's not that the battery's not old. It drove here from Orlando, which is a good from where it was, that's a good hour drive. So it still runs, but I know I'm gonna have to do those valve covers. They said something about the head gasket, so I'm probably gonna do a quick compression test. The transmission they said was okay. The battery should be okay if it drove this far. Why is this wire go all the way around the front to the cruise control? It should go around the back. That's weird. I might switch that to the back. But the power steering pump has no belt. No belt whatsoever. That's cool. Look at that. The harmonic balancer down there. See if I get a light down there. It looks rusted and looks like there was a broken piece of a belt there. So I want to say that belt probably snapped for some reason, which is a bad tell because those belts shouldn't really snap like that. Considering when you look on the hood, if you look right there, I'm about to close it and you can see that tear is right above the power steering spindle pulley. So it definitely ripped because the belt broke and ripped that as it went. The motor mount, that one looks all chewed up. Yeah, that one looks pretty chewed up, but it's okay. Maybe. Not much wiggle room. The front mount is okay. Let's see. Can I see the back mount? Back mount looks alright. I can't really see it here on the camera, but I can see it by my eye. Alright, so everything under the hood looks okay. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, so wow. Okay, so the interior's not too bad, except for, of course, the missing door panel here, which I guess someone still wanted to use the windows and stuff. They left that on. Here's the hook. But, yeah, not bad. Cruise control, or traction control. Yay, no drifting. Oh, look at that! Here's the panel. Panel looks pretty good. The insulation and stuff, at least. Oh, look! Here's the door handle. Cool. I was hoping that would be in here. And they even have a new terminal for the battery. Let me take the key so I don't lock it in there. Yeah, pretty good. These rims, oh my god, it kills me looking at these big ass tires. Okay, yeah, so this one's all rusted up. That's why they have the new one. I'll put that on there too. Put that on there for them since they already have it. Let's see. It's been sitting, so let's take a look. It's not really too burnt per se. I might still change that. Definitely gotta do the oil. They haven't done the oil in ages. Let's take a look here. I'm not even gonna double dip it. Look at that black. Nasty. At least they filled it. They just, didn't change it. Alright. Radiator. Let's take a look. Rusty. Nice. Gonna have to flush that out or just get a new radiator. So if there's rust in there, there's rust all over through the system. I gotta flush that. Intake, it's got screws. I'll check that later. Alright, cool. Let's take a look at that panel. It's got keyless entry, but battery's off right now. Ugh. Okay, so that's not a new panel or anything, because that definitely looks like the one from the door, because it doesn't look brand new or anything. Or maybe they swapped it from another car. Who knows? I will say I like the interior. It's pretty clean for leather. Like, there's only that 1, 2, maybe 3 rips. The back looks good. Looks pretty clean for leather. Oh yeah. And then brakes gotta go. The back, it's got a little thing there. Got a little thing here. I gotta repaint. Paint coming off. They said they just got some new tires on it too. So, not bad. Alright. Well, I definitely got my work cut out for me here. Gotta do the head gasket on this, the valve cover gaskets. Probably every single gasket I'm gonna do on this whole thing. I'll get a whole gasket set. Much like I did with the Altima. When I did the head gasket on that, I had the whole gasket set. Do the head gasket set on this. The whole gasket set. Head gasket, valve cover, gasket, O-rings, thermostat gasket, intake, exhaust gasket, all the gaskets. I'll do everything on this thing. I might try to get a new pump too, because I gotta check it out. I gotta take it out and see if it's good since it's rusted up there. Don't know why it's rusty either. Like, there should be no rust like that. That's another issue I gotta look into. But yeah, so that's the car. That's my new project. That's my new project. Taking care of this thing. Getting this thing working good. Getting it out on the road. Making it reliable. So yeah, so that's the new project that I'll be working on over the next couple months to a year at least. So definitely keep an eye out for those videos, because there's going to be videos about everything there. I'm going to do the video for the starter. It's simple. It's very simple. I know it's simple. But I'm going to do the video for the starter anyways on my Altima, because y'all seem to love the Altima videos. Apparently y'all like all my videos, which is great. I really appreciate it. I didn't expect my channel to get as big as it is now. So that's why, that's why I'm continuing doing it. This is for my 200 subscriber mark. I finally hit 200. I got a custom URL. YouTube.com/HectorTalks. That's my URL. No more long, ridiculous, random line of letters and numbers. But yeah, so of course, I'll have a link in the description if you want to get one of my shirts. I still have those. They're still cheap. Get them while they're cheap, because they keep telling me I gotta raise the price. I'm like, nah, let's keep it cheap for now. Get people to buy it. Nobody wants to buy expensive shirts. So you can get one of my Hector G Talks, Cars, Tool, and Tech shirts. I'm actually have a few ordered for myself. I'm gonna start wearing them now, so you can see them, because they look really nice. I like them. I like the way they look. The letters, it pops. It's great. But yeah, continue to support, man. I love it. Keep them comments coming, feedback, everything. You know I reply. You know I do. Just look at all the other videos. Everybody I reply to, whether it's good feedback, bad feedback, everything. Just let me know. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. But keep an eye out for this, because there's gonna be quite a lot of material here. A lot of videos coming out. A lot of stuff I gotta do with this thing. And of course, check out my other videos too if you're interested. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You can follow me on Twitter and Facebook. I'll put the links down. I don't really get on those too much, but you know, I have them. You can support me. Get a t-shirt. Not this t-shirt, but one of my t-shirts. Patreon. They told me to do a Patreon, so I got Patreon set up if you guys want to help out. Any little bit counts. Any little bit helps. It pretty much just funds me doing this. That's it. That's where the money goes. But yeah, appreciate it. Hit that like button and stay tuned. We'll see you guys later.